Chimpitip namta kubar like kamikai kanekade po Tura and Williamnagar. MTET Tura recruitment 2023 subdivisional school educational officer West Garohil Tura is for Tura subdivision has released an employment notification for the recruitment of 86 lower primary school teacher in government LP school. The last date for submission of the application is 31 August 2023. The post name assistant teacher government LP school. Number of vacancies 86 posts. UR 13 Garo and Khasi 69. Order STSC is 4. So remember, those who are from Tura, West Garo Hill want to apply. The last date is 1st August 2023. And for MTET Williamnagar recruitment, this is for Williamnagar subdivision. East Garo Hill district has released an employment notification for recruitment of 68 vacant posts of assistant teacher in government LP school from MTET qualified candidate. Only those who qualified MTET can apply. The last date for submission of the application is 31 August 2023. Total posts is 68 posts. UR 10 Garo and Khasi 55 posts. Order STSC is 3 posts. So remember, those who are from Williamnagar subdivision who want to apply, the last date is 31st August 2023. Thank you.